Okay, this camper is almost ready to be brought out of this garage, so I'm just gonna seal it up. It wasn't leaking, but I have the stuff here and I might as well just do it for a precautionary thing. Nice fish! I'm going to put a little bit of working on this camper here. We don't really have time to finish it. We have to put it on the truck just so that it's ready to go, because yes, you just never know what's going to happen with these fires. Yesterday afternoon, there's a community that I drove through about a week ago. Well, it's gone now. The fire got to it yesterday. That's Monty Lake, if anybody knows BC. Apparently it's gone now. I've seen a few pictures online about it. But okay, my truck was clean yesterday. Let's see if this camera picks this up. Just covered in ashes. And let's take a look at the pool. I haven't seen it yet today. Yeah, it's full of ashes too. Everything around here just covered in ash. Apparently the fire's getting close to the closest town to us, and we live on a kind of a one-way in, one-way out road, and we have to go through that town to get out. So hopefully we can get that fire under control. It's out of control right now. There's a few towns here in the North Okanagan that are in risk right now. They're right just on the edge of the fires. So it's almost the weekend now. I'll be spending the next few days, I guess, getting stuff kind of ready to get out of here. But I mean, even if we can get out of here, there's not really anywhere to go. I'm no expert, but seems to me that these fires are getting worse every year. That's obvious. What I don't understand is why they keep doing the same thing. You could see from one of my fire videos, when we had the fire on the mountain here, they put it out in one day because it was small. Well, it seems to me that they would attack these fires when they're small, because when they're big like this, it's just so much smoke they can't even fly over. They can't fly. Can't see anything. So why don't they get them when they're small? I would think they should. Another thing that I would think that they should do is, on these high mountains, they should strategically locate lookout towers and have 2 people in the lookout towers so they can get on these fires during lightning and get on them fast. Oh, wait a minute. They do have lookout towers. There's 2 within 20 miles of here that I know of. Why is there nobody in them? Why did they, years ago, decide that the lookout towers were useless? Seems to me it would be cheaper to put a couple people in the lookout towers than it is to hire in all these extra people when the fires get out of control. I'll be filming less within the next little while just because I can't go outside, but back to my regular scheduled programming soon as all this smoke clears. So what I'm using is this self-leveling lap sealant and gloves, because no matter what, the stuff makes a mess. It's one of those things that no matter what, you just can't stay clean. Pretty much 2 ways you could do this. You could do it the right way, or you could do it the way I'm doing it. I don't have masking tape, but it's usually a good idea to mask it off. That way you get straight, clean lines. But since this is on the roof and nobody can see it, I'm just gonna do it this way. I have a feeling that gloves might not work because I got to use my finger to smooth it out. So we still have the fires burning here. I'll show you a quick look at that. The one that went from 1,000 hectares is now, last I heard, 10,000 hectares. Yeah, it's just coming out in big blobs, so I'll just get what I can out of this one. I have another tube, but it's expensive stuff, so I'd rather use this one up if I can. I don't want to do the side of the camper with this because this is white. The camper's cream color. You can't, as far as I know, buy this stuff in cream color to match. They actually make like a half plastic stuff that slides into these tracks here. It's the proper stuff to put in. It covers the screws and gives it the finished look, I guess. But when I thought about ordering it, it's extremely expensive. Probably close to $100 just to do this tiny little camper. And I'm a cheapskate. So there is some rain in the forecast. So hopefully I can start doing some stuff with the mini excavator again. It needs some work too, so I'd like to get that work done and start using it again. Benjamin's just checking right now for shadows. Hey Ben, can you get out of there for a minute, please? Come on out. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna have a bed in here, and the bed sits on these. However, we have to extend these. We couldn't find any this size, so instead we're just gonna rip these out and put new, better ones in, and they're gonna go the full length of the camper. And Benjamin's gonna help because you're a good helper, aren't you? Hey, you're all wet and dirty. Hey, get away from me. You. And we're gonna use fur. We just have to cut it, varnish it.
Watch out. Sit your bum all the way. Good job. Right there. What you doing? You all wet dog. Did you get that? Hey, come here. Hey, out. Go get that squirrel.
Now I can only get so far because the logs I have this thing sitting on. And once I get it outside, I'll throw the last couple of staples in. Okay, that's good. 2 more staples and it's done, but I can't put them ones in until I move it out of here. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in this video or not, but it's just me and the wife moving it. Okay, so out of 14,000 views on my channel, it's a small channel, so not that many views, I got my first troll comment the other day. It was a funny one, but if he happens to be watching again, all I would say, I guess, is thanks for the comment, because any comments actually help the channel. So he just helped me out a bit, and one click of the mouse and he went away. He disappeared to where he's supposed to be. Down the toilet he goes. See ya, troll. Well, thanks for watching. That's another camper video. I know what you're thinking. I'm almost done with it. I think maybe one more video of it being loaded on the truck, and then there might be a couple short videos afterwards once we get the cushions made and stuff, just to kind of a last look at it. Anyways, thanks to my new subscribers, well, and my old subscribers. No, I'm not calling you old, I just mean you subscribed a long time ago. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one.